Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Telegram not working opening in PC. To start, enter Telegram in the search box. Click on App Settings. After this, click on Repair. Wait for the application to be repaired. Then click Reset. Confirm this action and wait for the Telegram app to be restored. You can open Telegram to see that the error is not there. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.